The Mercedes-Benz S-Class isn't just a car, it's a benchmark. For decades, it has set the global standard for luxury, innovation, and safety in the automotive world. But what truly goes into creating a vehicle of such profound stature? It's a question that takes us deep inside the manufacturing process, a complex interplay of cutting-edge technology, meticulous craftsmanship, and an unwavering commitment to perfection. Today, we'll peel back the layers to reveal the intricate dance between human skill and advanced automation that brings each S-Class to life, piece by painstaking piece. At the heart of S-Class production lies a philosophy that transcends simple assembly. This isn't just about bolting parts together, it's about precision integration and a dedication to functional artistry. Every component, from the smallest screw to the largest body panel, is engineered not only to fit but to contribute to the car's overall integrity, performance, and luxurious feel. This meticulous approach demands a unique manufacturing environment where German engineering principles are applied with unwavering consistency, defining how each S-Class delivers its signature driving experience. To achieve such exacting standards, the S-Class production line relies heavily on advanced automation. Robotics play a crucial role, performing tasks that require extreme precision, repeatability, and strength, far beyond human capability over long periods. These sophisticated machines handle everything from initial panel stamping to complex welding sequences, ensuring consistent quality and perfect alignment across hundreds of thousands of operations daily. It's a testament to how technology amplifies human ingenuity, allowing engineers to focus on higher-level problem-solving and quality refinement. The journey begins with the body-in-white, or BIW. This term refers to the stage where the car body sheet metal components are welded or joined together, before any painting or final assembly. It's the skeleton of the S-Class, forming its fundamental structure and dictating its rigidity, safety, and acoustic properties. This stage is critical, any imperfection here can compromise the entire vehicle. Utilizing a blend of high-strength steels and lightweight alloys, the BIW is engineered to create an incredibly stiff and safe passenger cell, crucial for occupant protection in a collision. The material composition of the body-in-white is a carefully calculated balance. Mercedes-Benz employs a sophisticated mix of materials, primarily high-strength steels and various aluminum alloys, each chosen for specific attributes like strength, weight, and energy absorption. The strategic placement of these materials is crucial for optimal safety and dynamic performance. Using lighter aluminum in certain areas reduces overall vehicle weight, improving fuel efficiency and handling, while ultra-high-strength steel in the passenger cell ensures maximum occupant protection during impacts. This isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, it's engineering by necessity. To unite these diverse materials into a cohesive body-in-white, Mercedes-Benz utilizes an array of advanced joining techniques. Traditional spot welding is complemented by laser welding, which offers greater precision and stronger, cleaner seams, crucial for structural integrity and aesthetics. Adhesive bonding, a process where industrial-grade glue is used to join surfaces, is also extensively employed. This not only enhances rigidity but also improves noise, vibration, and harshness (NVH) characteristics, contributing to the S-Class's serene cabin environment. Each technique is chosen for its specific benefits, ensuring a robust and refined structure. The sheer number of welds and bonds in an S-Class body-in-white is staggering. It's not just a few dozen, we're talking about thousands of individual connection points, each meticulously executed to within fractions of a millimeter. This density of joining points contributes directly to the vehicle's torsional rigidity, which is its resistance to twisting forces. A higher torsional rigidity translates into better handling, a more stable ride, and superior crash performance. This underlying structural strength is a cornerstone of the S-Class's reputation for safety and driving refinement. Once the body-in-white is complete, it moves to the paint shop, a highly automated, sterile environment. This isn't just about color, it's about protection and aesthetic perfection. The S-Class undergoes a multi-layer paint process, starting with pre-treatment to clean and prepare the surface, followed by an anti-corrosion coating. Then comes the primer, base coat, for color, and finally, several layers of clear coat. Each layer is meticulously applied and oven-baked, building up a durable, glossy finish that protects against the elements and provides that unmistakable Mercedes-Benz luster. The multi-layer paint process is a carefully orchestrated sequence designed for both durability and depth of color. It begins with intensive cleaning and a phosphating process for optimal adhesion. Next, an anti-corrosion layer is electrostatically applied, acting as a crucial barrier against rust. The primer then smooths the surface and provides a uniform base for the color. The base coat, which gives the car its chosen hue, is applied with incredible precision. Finally, multiple clear coat layers are added, providing scratch resistance, UV protection, and that deep, reflective sheen. While robots excel in structural tasks, the S-Class interior is where human craftsmanship truly shines. This is where the car transforms from a functional machine into a luxurious sanctuary. Skilled artisans meticulously hand-stitch premium leather, polish exquisite wood veneers, and precisely fit intricate trim pieces. Every surface, every tactile element, is chosen and finished to evoke a sense of refined elegance and comfort. The attention to detail extends to the integration of advanced technology, ensuring that screens and controls blend seamlessly into the opulent environment, making the cabin an extension of the driver's desire for comfort and control. The selection of materials for the S-Class interior is a rigorous process. Only the finest full-grain leathers, often sourced from specific regions, are chosen, undergoing extensive quality checks for texture, durability, and absence of blemishes. Similarly, wood veneers are meticulously selected for their grain pattern and consistency, then lacquered and polished to a mirror finish. This dedication to premium, sustainably sourced materials ensures not only visual appeal but also longevity and a tactile experience that lives up to the Mercedes-Benz standard. It's a key factor in the S-Class's enduring appeal as a symbol of luxury. Modern luxury cars like the S-Class are as much about software as they are about hardware. At its core, the S-Class features the Mercedes-Benz User Experience, or MBUX, a highly intuitive infotainment system. This digital brain integrates everything from navigation and entertainment to vehicle settings and driver assistance systems. Its development requires immense computational power and a dedicated team of software engineers. The challenge lies in creating a seamless, responsive, and secure digital environment that is constantly evolving, reflecting the vehicle's role as a mobile connected device. The S-Class embodies a fascinating duality, the tangible precision of mechanical engineering merged with the invisible complexity of software. While mechanical components are designed with sub-millimeter tolerances, the MBUX system can contain hundreds of millions of lines of code. The development cycles are also distinct. Mechanical changes are often hardware-bound, requiring new tooling, while software updates can be delivered over the air, adding new features or refining existing ones post-purchase. Balancing these two highly specialized disciplines is a constant challenge, but crucial for delivering the S-Class's holistic luxury experience and its adaptability to future innovations. The heart of every S-Class is its powertrain, the engine and transmission combination. Mercedes-Benz engines are renowned for their smooth power delivery, efficiency, and durability. Each engine is assembled in a separate, highly specialized facility before being delivered to the main Sindelfingen plant. This assembly involves incredibly precise operations, often utilizing specialized robotic arms and highly skilled technicians working in tandem. From the crankshaft installation to the final sensor calibration, every step ensures that the engine meets the rigorous performance and emission standards expected of a Mercedes-Benz flagship. Before any engine is installed in an S-Class, it undergoes an exhaustive battery of tests. This isn't just a cursory check, it's a comprehensive validation process designed to ensure flawless performance and reliability. Engines are run on specialized dynamometers, simulating various driving conditions, from extreme heat to freezing cold, and subjected to stress tests that mimic years of road use. Oil pressure, fuel injection, emissions, and noise levels are meticulously monitored. This rigorous testing regimen guarantees that only engines meeting Mercedes-Benz's stringent quality benchmarks make it into the final vehicle. The final assembly line at Sindelfingen is an engineering marvel, often referred to as a full-flexed system. This means it can simultaneously produce different S-Class variants, long wheelbase, Maybach, plug-in hybrids, on the same line. This flexibility is achieved through a combination of highly adaptable robotic workstations and intelligent logistical systems that deliver the correct parts to each specific vehicle as it moves along. It's a complex dance of customization and efficiency, ensuring that each S-Class, despite its individual configuration, flows smoothly through the final stages of production. Even with advanced automation, the final stages of quality assurance rely heavily on the human eye and touch. After the car is fully assembled, it undergoes an exhaustive series of inspections. Highly trained quality controllers scrutinize every detail, from paint finish uniformity to panel gaps, interior stitching, and the functionality of every single electronic component. This is where decades of experience and a deep understanding of Mercedes-Benz standards come into play. It's the ultimate gatekeeper, ensuring that only vehicles meeting the brand's stringent criteria are allowed to leave the factory. The final inspection is a multi-point checklist that covers every conceivable aspect of the vehicle. This includes a meticulous check of the exterior for paint defects, scratches, or panel misalignment. Interior functionality is tested, ensuring all infotainment features, climate controls, and driver assistance systems operate as intended. A dynamic test on a rolling road simulates driving conditions, assessing engine, transmission, and brake performance. Finally, a thorough rain test checks for any water ingress, guaranteeing the S-Class is perfectly sealed against the elements. Only after passing all these tests is the car deemed ready. The commitment to excellence at Mercedes-Benz is perhaps best encapsulated by a long-held philosophy. It's not just about meeting specifications, it's about exceeding expectations and striving for an ideal. This relentless pursuit of perfection is embedded in the company's DNA, guiding every design decision, engineering choice, and manufacturing process. It's a cultural imperative that drives both the automated systems and the skilled individuals on the factory floor, ensuring that every S-Class delivered embodies the pinnacle of automotive engineering and luxury. This ethos is what truly differentiates a Mercedes-Benz. The primary home of the S-Class, the Sindelfingen plant in Germany, is more than just a factory, it's an ecosystem of innovation. Spanning a vast area, it houses everything from research and development centers to the actual production lines. This proximity allows for rapid feedback loops between design, engineering, and manufacturing, fostering continuous improvement. The plant itself is a testament to German efficiency and precision, where thousands of employees and robots work in a highly coordinated symphony of production, orchestrating the complex creation of each S-Class vehicle. The efficiency of the Sindelfingen plant is truly impressive, balancing high volume with bespoke luxury. While each S-Class is a highly customized product, the assembly line is designed to optimize every second. On average, a new S-Class rolls off the line approximately every 90 seconds, showcasing incredible operational speed for such a complex vehicle. This pace is achieved through lean manufacturing principles, just-in-time delivery of components, and sophisticated logistics. It's a constant balancing act between maintaining the highest quality and meeting global demand for this flagship model. Beyond luxury and performance, Mercedes-Benz is increasingly focused on sustainable manufacturing practices at its S-Class plant. This includes efforts to reduce energy consumption, minimize waste, and incorporate recycled materials where possible. The plant utilizes renewable energy sources, and processes are continually optimized to lower CO2 emissions. For instance, paint shops have implemented dry separation systems to reduce water usage, and heat recovery systems are in place. This commitment reflects a broader industry trend, acknowledging that true luxury also encompasses environmental responsibility throughout the entire product life cycle. The journey inside the factory reveals that building a Mercedes-Benz S-Class is far more than an industrial process, it's a profound act of creation. It's a complex blend of advanced robotics ensuring surgical precision, human artisans delivering unparalleled luxury, and a deep-seated philosophy of continuous improvement. This intricate ecosystem, from the body-in-white to the final quality check, ensures that each S-Class doesn't just meet expectations, but consistently redefines what a luxury vehicle can be. It's this enduring commitment to either best or nothing that cements the S-Class's legacy as an automotive icon.